You don't have to have a cup of coffee. All I have to do is go outside and take a couple deep breaths, and boy, I think you'll wake up right away. Quite refreshing and crisp out there. As temperature highs were in the upper teens to lower 20s, but it is going to be a very cold night tonight. We're under a wind chill advisory, actually. So we're looking outdoors right now, and I wish I didn't have that graphic up, but I do. That would be our weather bug graphic that we're not going to be using. And we have a ridge of high pressure over the area, so we've had clearing skies, especially around the Chicago area and to the north of us. So this high pressure will continue to build in, bring us dry conditions and subsidence. And we've already seen dew points fall back to right around 1. So this is a dry air mass, but a very cold one. Temperature changes last 24 hours. A good 12 to almost 20 degrees throughout the region, and it's going to continue to stay cold. Look at the cold weather that has moved from New England across the central plains, over the Rocky Mountains, and then even on the western coast. So there's a big section of the United States that has seen temperatures in the last 24 hours drop a good couple of handfuls, actually. So right now the wind chill out there in Chicago is 5. It's 4 below in Milwaukee, 2 below in Madison. Hello there, Ark from Madison. He's one of our weather watchers. Dubuque at 14 below. And many areas upstream have seen temperatures or below zero temperatures throughout the day today. So we're under a wind chill advisory for the Chicagoland area, mostly farther to the south, like south of I-80. They're going to have more cloud cover, so they're not under the advisory, nor is northwestern Indiana. But the cold air is in place, and it's going to stay around. And here's a look at the jet stream. This goes until Thursday, and then finally we get a little bit of a lift. Now this is the light at the end of the tunnel. Sunday, 2 a.m. Notice the warmth from the west and south push into Chicago. It means we could have temperatures right around 40 degrees or even better, all depending on that snowpack, of course. And then we start to see temperatures right around average early next week, but still way better than what we have seen, considering we have had temperatures below average for so many weeks. Futurecast shows the skies will still clear out. Notice the thicker cloud cover farther to the south, where they're not under the wind chill advisory. We'll feed in a few clouds early Wednesday morning, and then we'll see just a cloud cover out there by Wednesday night, but we're doing it all over again with clear skies, and so we could see another wind chill advisory issued for Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Winds out of the northwest at about 7 to 17 miles per hour, and so tonight those winds will switch to the west. We'll still have some gusts. It'll be cold. It'll feel like 20 to 25 below zero, as we'll have overnight lows around 0 to 8 below, and then lots of sunshine again for your Wednesday forecast, but frigid temperatures. It'll feel like 10 to 15 below with a high of 4 to 10, and those winds still a little bit gusty out of the west. Cold on Thursday, a high of 14. Then we increase temperatures 10 degrees. Friday, 24, another 10. On Saturday, with some sunshine, 34. That'll melt some snow. And then Sunday, temperature high 39 with a mix of sun and clouds. Valentine's Day, temperature still in the mid-30s. Maybe a little bit of some rain. It looks like cloudy skies or maybe light rain, but that's still very far out. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it is Duffinately Weather.